Welcome everyone to this daily update on Money Square YouTube channel before on Gold and GJ before the NY session. And let's go ahead and quickly check from a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame yesterday on a weekly analysis we said that price is coming to this rejection area, so we need to be careful. The weekly we discussed yesterday that we closed with no wick at the top, so there's not a lot of range to move up. However, gold decided to move another 200 pip to the upside. Let's go on the 4-hour daily time frame is tipped this level of resistance and then rejected, closed back inside. So I believe we're due to a correction, but fear is in the market still. So yesterday when we did the video was right over here, and then this was happening, this rejection, then we find some sort of support, and then we retested this high. This was anticipated. We were looking for this all night long. Like we were looking, but I was anticipating honestly to come up to this level minimum, to this level here or to this level, to make a bigger retracement for the retest of the high. But we did just a small retracement, and then we straight move up with London Open, pre-London. And then we had our candle formation here, and then we shoot back up, and then we made the deviation, close back inside the range, and then we just we are continuing to the downside. We tapped the support, so this is quite tricky, but let's mark the zones again. We have the support here, we have the resistance, and we are in a clean traffic area. If we come up, if we form some sort of support, we have clean traffic to left hand side, clean traffic to right hand side, and till here. So we can actually take advantage of this and put some alerts. So we have one level of interest area here. Now we have another level of interest area here, so we can look for a price when it comes to this level and price, but then if we come to this level we will activate some alerts here so we don't have too many alerts. But at the moment we made a new high, we're coming back down, we need to form some sort of support to retest the high. If we form the support and then we break this level here, then we have potentially moved to close to this support. If we break this support, we have potentially moved to this big support here. But we can also break and then close back inside. We need to be very careful with the deviations. But yeah, these are the areas where I'm looking for potential trades. This one, and then this one, either for buys and sells with confirmation. So let's go ahead and see what is on GJ. GJ from on monthly is continuing its retracement, haven't broke the previous monthly lower high yet. We're rejecting weekly, filled the wick as expected yesterday on a weekly daily analysis. But yeah, I was thinking yesterday I was mentioning this, that as long as we don't break this high, we can fill these wicks and come and tap to this liquidity pool or this area of demand. So price basically last night just pushed up. It was at this level and I was waiting for, in this box here, I was waiting for what price will do. Either will close above to continue further retracement to the upside or just reject, and then it rejected, and then before London or during London session price just kept its momentum to a downside, came right at support, tested the support, and yeah, here for example was a perfect sell after like this push up, tapped resistance, rejected resistance, engulfed, and then let's check the 330 candle. 330 candle also bearish. This was perfect, like 23 pips with 18 pips first take profit, 48, 87, and overall 160 pips. This was an amazing trade that happened yesterday. So yeah, this is, but now Let's check for now, because now we came to the support on GJ. Now we are inside this big range, so we need to be very cautious. Inside this big range we have this level here, which is almost mid-range, I would say. How many pips is still here? 130. 130 is like mid-range here, so we need to see if price is rejecting this mid-range or not. And then if we get a closure, or if we get a rejection here, potential rejection, or a closure above, a closure back inside the range, we can look for sells till the support again. If we get a closure and then we break the high of the closure, we can look for buys till this level here, until here first, and then overall till this resistance. How if we miss these moves happen, and if we miss these moves, we wait for closure either above here and then break the high to continuation, or break above, close back inside the range for sells inside the range, and then same as here, we look for break below. But this is like, this area is very tricky because it has so many rejections, and you don't, it's not area where you can get confirmation and then moves after that, so we need to be very cautious about that. But yeah, and this is also the area for GJ that I'm looking for sales. I'm gonna check how what prices will do around this level. I'm gonna put an alert here, so be aware of it. And then I'm gonna also put an alert if we break the support, if we get a clean closure below, because weekly time frame is bearish. We can get a continuation till the 157 on GJ. If we get this continuation and break that, break these lows. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys next week. Not next week, tonight in the daily roundup, and we will check what happened during the day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.